Hello my friends, welcome to another episode of Magnum Videos, and today Miss Rosie just called me from the kitchen and said,
"Come in here and fix your salad."
I have no idea what we're fixing, but let's go in there and see what she has in mind. Come on. Alrighty, that's my taco salad. Meet me over at the kitchen table and I'll tell you how it tastes. Alright, we have two taco salads going on here. This is mine. Typical, traditional ground beef, lettuce, tomatoes, black olive, sour cream, and chips. We didn't have any shredded cheese this time, so that would normally go on there. Miss Rosie makes hers a little different. Ground beef, black olives, tomatoes, and chips, and instead of lettuce she puts in kale, and instead of sour cream she puts in cottage cheese. So that's her salad right there, so she's going to eat that in just a minute, but meanwhile I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and see how it tastes. My goodness, that is really good. Tastes just like it always does because we always make it the same way, except it doesn't have any cheese this time, but it's pretty darn tasty. So, I don't know how you make your taco salad. Leave a comment and let me know. We sometimes put refried beans in here, but we didn't have any of those today either. So that's our typical mixture. So I don't know what you guys are going to do, but as for me, I'm going to eat the rest of this, and until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.